Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In last session I show you the demo about how you can use your mobile IP webcam to detect the contours, okay, contours, OpenCV contours you on the Raspberry Pi 4, okay. So that was just a demo. In this video I am going to share with you the script, okay. I have already created the script. I have mentioned the script inside the GitHub repo, and I will mention the GitHub repository link on the video, okay. So you have to simply download the script and connect with your IP webcam mobile software, and then you can also get the contours, the live, okay, from the live frame, okay. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel, okay friends. Thank you so much, and let's start. So simply open the terminal, okay, and work on CV. It will activate our virtual environment, okay. First you need to install the OpenCV on your Raspberry Pi 4. I have already created the video how to use the OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. Then you need to activate the IP webcam. So you need to install IP webcam software on your mobile. Then you need to basically add the IP webcam link inside the script, okay friends. So sudo nano ipcam1.py, this is what the script where we can detect the contours from our IP webcam, okay. So simply first we need to import the 4 modules. So import url lib.request, okay. This is for our IP webcam link request, okay. Then of course import cv2, this is what our OpenCV module. Then numpy as numpy np, and import time. That's it. So these 4 modules. Then this is what the URL of our IP webcam software, okay. So mine IP address is the 192.160.103, and the port number of our IP webcam software. Simply you need to replace with your IP address, and port number is always same because IP webcam port is 8080, okay. Then while true, we are going to capture the image from this link, okay. For that I have mentioned here a variable, then the formula for getting the image. So url lib.request, we are going to request to URL open, and here this is what our URL variable, URL, as you can see I have mentioned in bracket URL variable. Then we need to convert the numpy array, okay. So for that image np means image numpy array, np.array, then byte array, okay, image capture dot read, it will read the image, and this is what the type, okay, this is what the type, okay. Then finally we are going to decode. Here we encode the image, then we are going to decode the image for OpenCV format, okay, simple. So img is equal to cv2.img code, and this is what our img np, this is the variable img np, as you can see we have used here this variable, okay. Then we need to convert the image into gray session or into gray format. So gray, okay, gray is equal to cv2.cvt color img, and cv2.color bgr2 gray. This is a simple this is basically simple formula to convert the image into the gray format, okay. Then I have used here edge detection canny format or canny formula, okay. So this is what the canny formula, cv2.canny gray, okay, 215 and 275, okay, simple. Then we need to add the contours, okay. So this is what the contours, okay, contours. Then here after we detecting the contours, we need to create the color, okay. So I have mentioned here RGB color green, you can mention red also. Simply what you want to do here, I have mentioned red, I am going to mention here a red now. So you need to simply mention like this way. You need to replace 255 with 0, and here you need to mention the 255. Now our contours will be shown in a red color. Okay, then simply cv2.imshow IP webcam is just a frame name, and we are going to use our img. Okay, that's it. This is what the script. You need to nothing to change here. You need to simply replace the IP webcam IP address, okay, with yours IP address, and then your script will be work. You can detect the contours from live frame, okay, live video frame. Okay, now this is what our script. I will mention the link inside my description box. As I told you, then you need to nothing to change here. You need to replace the IP webcam link. Okay, so simply Ctrl X Y and save the file. Now I am going to start my mobile camera. Okay friends, I have started IP webcam software from the mobile, and if I now run the script, okay, so this is what our script, sudo python 3 ipcam 1.py. okay, I am going to start the script, and our window is now open, and as you can see here, the contours is now showing in red lines because we have changed the color. Okay, now I want to simply go in the gallery. Okay, I am going to show you the live traffic. Okay, just a minute. So friends, as you can see, this is the way you can detect the contours live from your mobile, okay, using OpenCV. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video, and you also configure the contours using this method. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.